Hello, I figured I would create another quick tutorial here. I've been getting some requests on what if you want to use more than 10 morph targets at a time, since each component only handles 10 simultaneous morph targets at once. Also, what if you want to control different morph targets independently, like calling different groups? You can add multiple components that are up here and relabel them. Let me show you what we're working with here first, and I'll show you how I got it set up. So from the last tutorial, you can see her mouth is moving, she's happy, and then she'll go into her angry state where her eyebrows go back down. However, the mouth keeps moving. That's separate in this case. So what I did is added the first component, that was the easy morph targets. We got that set up just like we did in the other tutorial. However, I added a second one. I relabeled it and I called it mouth, and we hooked that up and also got another begin play that's going on for the mouth. This will work, and you can add as many components as you want. It'll give you 10 apiece. However, you have to make sure that whatever morph targets are in one of your variables, don't put it in the other one, because you can't have two systems trying to control the same morph target, because they'll fight over it. So this is how I got this set up. So this comes after begin play. The first begin play sets up for the eye blink, and also gets our normal morph targets for her eyebrows going up and down for her happy and angry state. The second one that I have set up, which is over here, is the easy targets or easy morph targets mouth. This one we don't want to fill out the eye blinking because we already have this one controlling the eyelids. So we don't want to do that a second time. But we still need to set up the second one so it knows what mesh it's using. And then I created a second variable here, and you notice down here we got our normal one. This is for her face, and then I'm putting all our morph targets under the what I relabeled to just be called morph targets mouth. So this gets us all set up. After 3 seconds, it's going into its happy state, and it's calling both of these. As you notice, it's calling the easy morph target, or my first one, which is just her eyebrows. For her happy state, it'll move her eyebrows up, and it's calling the mouth, which is down here, for its happy state, which I just got the mouth pucker and jaw open that's in there. So it'll trigger both of these at the same time. However, after 5 seconds, it's just going to change her eyebrows and re-trigger into an angry state. While the mouth, the easy morph targets for the mouth, will keep going, because this is on a separate component here. So this is basically on how you can separate and add more than one component. Just keep in mind, like I said, you just want to make sure that there isn't duplicate morph targets on both of these that share the same name, because then they'll conflict. But otherwise, you can add as many of these components that you want, and it'll give you 10 apiece. You just got to make sure that you individually call them and keep in mind on which component it's going to, and also keep them separate down here. So it's really going to help to label these for what you'll be using them for. I could actually change this other one. We can say this one's just for normal face, and then this one's for the mouth. And if you had more things, you can add them in there. Also, I would highly recommend that if you were to go to and add new trigger states, you could probably add in there one for a jaw, whatever you're gonna need in there. You can make this look a little bit nicer. But hopefully this makes sense, and I'm just gonna keep this one short and sweet. So have a good day.